Everywhere you turn, you see stories. In the past couple of years, stories have become hugely popular on social platforms like Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and Instagram. And if you're like most people, one of the first things you do when you sign on to social media in the morning is take a look at the new stories from everyone that you follow. Stories are ultra engaging and work so well because people's attention spans are getting shorter and shorter. Most people don't have time to read an entire article or watch all of the video. They want hard-hitting pieces of content, and stories, they're the answer. Have a special offer you want to make sure your followers see? Well, post it as a story. Putting out a great new piece of content that you know everyone will love? Upload it as a story to ensure it gets viewed. Offering a new product to your audience? Well, again, use the story feature. That's a great way to engage your social audience and get them to take action. There's no question that people love stories, but why does it have to stop at social media? Wouldn't it be great to leverage the power of stories all across the web to help you boost engagement, get free traffic, and make sales? The good news is you can with StoryPal. StoryPal leverages AMP Stories, which is an initiative put out by Google. With AMP Stories, you're able to create Instagram-like stories and have them on your website, giving you full control. These brand new Google AMP web stories are the wave of the future, and people absolutely love engaging with these stories. That's why we created StoryPal. StoryPal takes everything that's great about Google AMP Stories and makes them better, more engaging, and easier to create with a few clicks of your mouse. Because AMP Stories are an initiative of Google, all the stories you create with StoryPal are search engine friendly, which means you can easily get free traffic because your stories will rank quickly in the search engines. Unlike Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Snapchat stories that go away in 24 hours, the stories you create with StoryPal stick and stay live as long as you want them. That's a big deal. This means your web stories are more likely to get shared and interacted with, which means more free traffic and ultimately more engagement with your content. StoryPal is loaded with features that make it the premier software tool for creating web stories. No technical skills or experience are needed because creating web stories with StoryPal is as easy as a click of your mouse. Although multiple layout templates are included, you have the full flexibility to edit your stories in any way you wish. The stories you create are designed to get you results so they can be embedded or shared across websites and apps all over the web. Because loading speed is everything these days, your newly created stories load quickly so your audience stays engaged and entertained. Tracking and analytics are built in, so you can see which stories are performing well and which stories might need some adjustments. StoryPal has a built-in monetization capability that allows for the use of full-screen immersive story ads and the use of affiliate links. Imagine how powerful it will be to create a story that goes viral and gets shared all over the web that has call to action with an embedded affiliate link. Every time somebody buys through your web story, you get paid. This is one of the easiest ways to get traffic, build a list, and make affiliate sales. And you're at the forefront of this powerful technology when you get StoryPal today. And it just keeps getting better. The StoryPal point-and-click editor enables you to publish fully validated AMP stories and deliver them through the global CDN with a single click of your mouse. Connect your domain to your custom stories without any special technical skills needed. You don't have to worry about hosting or SSL. All that is included free with StoryPal. You know, you have a content or blog post on another platform that you want to use with StoryPal. Don't stress out about recreating it. Just paste that link of the existing content and create unique stories from it in just a minute or two. You can also create stories from RSS feeds and add redirect or clickable links to full posts. When you combine the included templates, the drag and drop editor, and the rich media library that includes millions of images, GIFs, videos, icons, illustrations, and vectors, you'll have everything you need to create stunning stories without any design or technical skills needed on your part. Everything you need is right inside StoryPal and ready for you to use to create stories that go viral and get results. You could also add a custom call to action, CTA, to any of your stories. Link to anything you want. When the viewer clicks your call to action, it will redirect them instantly. This is a great way to build your list or make affiliate sales. And because web stories are all about sharing and going viral, you can add sharing buttons for Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Pinterest, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and even email and SMS. Although you can embed your newly created stories on any website, you don't need to have a website to get big results with StoryPal. Create stories and then generate a shareable URL. We'll host your stories for you. StoryPal also leverages the power of smartphones by allowing you to generate a scannable QR code built into the app. And you can add this code anywhere, online or offline, sending the viewer your story. Now, this feature is super powerful to offline businesses and physical products. As you can see, StoryPal takes everything that's great about stories and makes them bigger and better than ever. Of course, the best part about StoryPal is, well, the price. Although it would be easy to charge $97 per month for a tool this powerful, it would be worth every penny after all. When you look at how much time this will save you, how much traffic this will get you, and how much money this easy-to-use tool could potentially make you. But you're not going to pay anywhere near that right now. During this initial launch, we have completely waived the monthly fee and slashed the price. That means you can get access to StoryPal for a low one-time investment. To lock in your discount, click the button below now, but please don't wait around. The price on StoryPal is going up, and if you come back later and try to get this, you do run the risk of paying a lot more for access. If you like the idea of leveraging the power of stories for free traffic, you're looking for an easy way to go viral, and you want to profit from the groundbreaking new technology of AMP Stories, then you owe it to yourself to get your hands on this incredible software, StoryPal, right now. Remember, the price is going up, so click the button below right this moment to lock in your discount and get instant access.